Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei's 35-year rule is now facing its most difficult crisis. This is what domestic and foreign analysts think. The situation is becoming increasingly complicated by a combination of internal unrest, economic pressure, international sanctions, and security threats. In the meantime, allegations of the active presence of Israeli intelligence agencies inside Iran have raised new concerns. Iranian security sources and state media claim that Israel's intelligence agency, Mossad, is carrying out sabotage activities in various parts of the country. There are allegations that espionage and attacks are being planned, especially targeting military installations, nuclear research centers, and important infrastructure. The government says that these activities are a direct threat to the state's sovereignty. According to recent data, unrest, disturbances, and security allegations have spread to at least 180 cities and about 512 locations in 31 provinces of Iran. There are reports of anti-government protests in some places and clashes with security forces in others. Human rights organizations have reported that many people have been arrested and several have been killed in these incidents. On the other hand, the long-running economic crisis has disrupted the lives of ordinary people. Inflation, unemployment, and currency devaluation are increasing among the people. The Khamenei administration has accused foreign powers of exploiting this discontent to create instability. Political analysts say that if the Israeli intelligence is active, it would be a major blow to the security system inside Iran. At the same time, the question is whether this situation is leading to the collapse of the Ali Khamenei government. Although the government claims that the Islamic Republic is now standing on the foundation of strength and is capable of confronting any conspiracy. Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei said in a recent speech that the enemies are trying to weaken us from within. But if the Iranian people and revolutionary forces are united, no conspiracy will succeed. He has ordered the security forces to be on high alert. The situation is also being closely monitored in the international community. It is feared that a new major conflict in the Middle East will have an impact on world politics and energy markets. In all, Ali Khamenei is facing an unprecedented challenge in his 35-year rule. Time will tell whether this crisis will ultimately lead to the fall of the government or whether he will bring the situation under control through more severe repression.